It's Wednesday morning. I'm now going to the English Mass. And just a little impression, Wednesday morning here. I think it's the 27th of April now. A lot of pilgrims left. But still there are new groups coming because now it's season, it's getting warmer. See, there's another group here, Polish groups. Still Irish people here. And let me check where the Mass is. I think it's in here, yeah. First of all, I'm going to look around a little bit for you guys that you see what's going on. Have a quick look over there for you guys. Get an impression what is going on here. Over there is the bishop from Italy, the administrator from the Vatican. Just take you before going back into the English Mass. See, it's quiet. You hear the people already singing in the church. See, it's a quiet morning. Still not season yet here in Medjugorje. I actually like this quiet time a lot. If there are too many people and it's too crowded, too nervous, I like this peace a lot. See in the back, all very quiet. Take you around. Let's go around the church and I will enter on the other side. See, Our Lady is waiting here for you guys. Come experience the beauty of Medjugorje as well. It's life-changing. Gives you peace, depth and joy in the heart, you know. I do so many interviews and they all say the same thing. It's about getting joy, getting peace in the heart and reconnect to God or get a more profound, a more profound relationship with God. And I leave you with this beautiful view on Our Lady. Have a joyful day. As I said, she's waiting for you here in Medjugorje. Bye bye for now.